Behind me, we have two of the best home battery systems in the world. On the left, we have the American Tesla Powerwall 3. Spirit Energy actually installed the first Powerwall 3 in the UK back in 2024, and we've won multiple awards from Tesla for our work installing this technology. On the right, we have the Chinese Sigenergy SigenStor. This is the new kid on the block, and there's a lot to shout about. There are a lot of new home battery systems being released, and most of them are nothing special. They just sort of copy each other without much innovation. Sigenergy, however, is different. Their teams really thought about the design of this battery system, and they've given Tesla some proper competition. So has Sigenergy knocked Tesla off the pedestal? Well, let's work that out. To start with, Powerwall 3 has a battery capacity of 15 kilowatt hours. 13.5 kilowatt hours of that is actually usable. Powerwall only comes in these 13.5 kilowatt hour increments. You can't get it in any other size. It's very scalable, and Tesla also supplies something called a DC expansion pack, which is pretty much raw storage without any of the electrical gubbins in the top. You can have up to 3 expansions per Powerwall 3, and you can have up to 4 Powerwall 3s on one supply, meaning that you can scale up to 12 units, which gives you 216 kilowatt hours of storage. SigenStor works a bit differently. The SigenStor is a modular battery system where the inverter sits on top and the batteries stack below. Here you can see one inverter or energy controller and then one battery module. You can have up to 6 batteries in one stack. Currently, Sigenergy make a 9 kilowatt hour as well as a 6 kilowatt hour battery unit, and they can be mixed and matched so that you can get the perfect battery size for your home. This really means that, like Tesla, with one stack you can have up to 54 kilowatt hours of storage. On a single phase supply, you can have up to 5 SigenStor stacks, giving you 270 kilowatt hours of total storage capacity. One key advantage to Sigenergy is that the system is designed to be completely future-proof. Until recently, Sigenergy were making smaller 8 kilowatt hour batteries. But they were the same size as these 9 kilowatt hour units, which means that anyone that has a system with 8 kilowatt hour units can still add the new 9 kilowatt hour units onto their system. Both systems use hybrid inverters, meaning the one inverter can handle both the solar panels and the battery storage. Now, when Powerwall 3 came out, it really revolutionized the UK battery market. It's an 11.04 kilowatt inverter that can be downrated to any of the settings that you can see on screen now, if you get restricted by the DNO. The Powerwall 3 has 3 solar MPPTs that can handle up to 20 kilowatts of DC input. The Sigenergy inverter works very differently. Sigenergy provides a range of inverters from 3 kilowatts up to 12 kilowatts. The inverter sits on the top of the stack, and you can choose the inverter that is best suited to your system or your DNO restriction. The low-end inverters can handle 2 solar strings, and the high end of the range can handle 4 solar strings. Each inverter can handle twice its rating in terms of solar input, so the 12 kilowatt inverter can handle up to 24 kilowatts of solar. A big advantage to Powerwall 3 is that if your DNO rating is limited and then later improves, you don't need to change the hardware to take advantage of it, like you would need to with the Sigenergy. So if you get restricted by the DNO, you should definitely consider Powerwall 3. Powerwall 3's battery can discharge at up to 11.04 kilowatts. However, it can only charge at a rate of 5 kilowatts. If you have any expansion packs, then the charge rating increases to 8 kilowatts, but it doesn't scale beyond that. The Sigenergy can charge and discharge at half the rated capacity of the battery. So if you have an 18 kilowatt hour battery, then it can only charge and discharge at 9 kilowatt hours. If you have the 12 kilowatt inverter, then the system will still only charge and discharge at 9 kilowatt hours. So you need to be sensible with how you size the Sigenergy system.